Good morning friends, how are you everyone? Hopefully all are all well. Welcome back again, this is Anupam Vlogs and today we are going the very beautiful mesmerizing place in Canyon and that is name is Dhadiyam from Gundalakona in This is Dhadiyam, beautiful place. So friend, if you like this video, please like, share and obviously subscribe.
What comes next? I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I feel so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by you.
This is Gundalakona. How is this?
Renu
Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on